girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. What up, kids? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're over at the Jet Performance. Your boy Tony over here has got his Del Sol in his shop. Nice white Del Sol. Everybody loves Del Sols. As you can see, it's a B series turbo, and it's starting to take apart because why?
So this block came out of a customer CRV. The car sat for a while. I had an B20VTEC in it before, cracked 2 sleeves. I just let the car sit as any other Honda project. And so we pulled the head on the CRV and it had a burnt valve. So I was like, oh, well, it's got a pretty good block, even though it had 250,000 miles on it. So slapped the VTEC head on, went to the dyno and made 450 horsepower. And it lasted about 5.5 months. And then one day I was driving to the shop and the car just didn't sound right. So we did a compression test and it's got low pressure in one cylinder.
So the block is bad, so we're gonna pull it out and give this thing a new block. Not today, but
we're gonna try.
We're gonna try.
There's a lot of like things that other B series would have. So like I got no AC, no power steering. So pretty much to pull it is literally axles.
Yeah, it's easy.
And then swap.
This is that.
Got a wireworks harness. It's already disconnected.
Old school Cali style right here, what they call it. But in Florida, it doesn't exactly work because it's hot as fuck.
It's got a lot of name brand stuff in it. It's fully built head. It's got a full Super Tech valve train.
You got a spare block yet, or another block?
Sure there.
Ooh.
That one came out of another CRV. I had 120,000 miles on it. So my goal with the car right now is just to get it driving again. And I drove it here, you know, I had low cylinder pressure until you hit boost, and I was like, oh, okay, there's all 4 cylinders. And,
well, I mean, you should get 6 months out of that one then.
honestly, I'll probably just turn the boost down like 12.
15 pounds is a little much for a B20. 10 to 12 is usually, it'll last a good while. LS's will take it.
Yeah. So, and I have another LS block. I'm probably gonna get that one sleeve or CSS. I don't know yet. The least amount of money in it, the better. So I'm gonna drive it, and then eventually, I think that Del Sol right there is gonna get a K-swap.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to convince them to go K-swap.
So, not in this one though.
Oh. There's a secret. It's got a high compression B20 in there, which is a B20Z2 USDM. Same thing here. So the tune should be relatively good. Obviously he'll get a retune, but it'll be...
That's another reason why too. I was like, oh, you know what? It's the same block. The tune should be exactly the same. It's got the exact same pistons and stuff in it. So see a dyno, do a pull or two, and see what kind of power it makes. And
let's hope so. Yeah, it just needs an oil pump, water pump, and slap the head on. She Gucci taters.
yeah.
Damn it, boy. Forgot to show you guys. My man got the Sweet Dash. It's also got a S2000 cluster.
Del Sol that has the wireworks harness.
Oh yeah. So we got the intake manifold off on this bad boy. Tony's removing the oil line for the LSV or the B20V. We're gonna pull the head. That's why we're doing this. So we're gonna pull the head first.
I kind of wish I was going back to LSV, to be honest.
They will hold a little more boost, but whatever.
One day.
B20V all motor, playboy. Or just all you gotta do is turn the boost down. Just turn the boost down.
Check out the intake manifold. Look at the map sensor.
It's backwards. I saw that.
Huh?
Backwards.
It's a stocky boy. Yeah. It's crazy to think, man. I've had this car since 2011.
2011. That's a long time. Well, at least now we can get to that rear mount.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we'll be back. We're going to perform more surgery. Alright, we're about to pull this valve cover off. See what she look like.
Yeah.
Is she clean?
Clean.
She clean?
No head gasket issues. Like, you know.
Pull the turbo kit off, obviously. Wow. You got retainers in here? Springs and retainers?
Yes, sir. And I got them old school cams in there.
Old school
the crane, stage 3s.
Damn, this is big ass cam.
Yeah, they're when VTEC hits. Oh, I'm gonna show you the dyno graph. When you understand how hard VTEC hits in this car, it's insane. Like,
I would stay all motor, playboy.
Honestly, I'd be curious to see how this car feels on motor with these VTEC cams.
Dude, fuck a turbo.
Like, dude, it's, I'm not gonna lie, it, it, it hits hard.
It, 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 that's when VTEC hits?
Yeah.
Jesus, Bobby.
That was like we just went to the dyno for wide open throttle and then regular, all the other driving tunability we did that. But what impressed me honestly with this setup was the fact that the B20, being the fact it's a stock bottom end, put out more horsepower and torque than the built LSV with piston and rods.
That's true.
On the same head, same turbo setup.
She got bigger pistons. That's all it takes.
Yeah.
Displacement, boo. That's the intake. It's a big ass cam.
Yes, sir.
See if I can focus. Hold on, no move. What's this say? It's scribed.
Yeah.
But them things are big as fuck. Woo,
Like James says, more power, baby.
more power, baby. I don't know if you can hear us with this fan. Damn it, boy.
That's a 253 duration, and this one has a scribe on there too.
Can't really see, but she healthy.
Yeah.
You got it? I didn't want to drop it.
Also 253.
253 durations. There's good oil in here.
It's
What?
Valvoline.
Valvoline, goddamn, boo.
Yeah, to be honest, that was like one of my things like that I was kind of doing some research on and talking to a bunch of guys that have boosted B-series.
Shit, I'm using this rag.
Yeah, you're good. And you know, one of the things that, you know, in my head I'm like, all right, they come factory what 1030 weight, I think. So one guy I talked to is like, bro, do yourself a favor, run the VR1 2050 weight. I'm like, dude, that's thick.
Well, the only problem with that is it getting through the oil line.
Yeah, and actually, that's what I've been running on it.
Yeah.
Since I boosted it. But
I did that one time. When the first time I did a LSVTEC, I guess I had a thin oil line and it wouldn't get through the line fast enough, so I had to put thinner oil in. Bruh.
Shit! Oh god!
holy shit.
So, got the head bolts loose, but this guy does not want to come off today. So we're gonna have to try to, you know,
Hey, that hard as you
as
can.
much weight as you can put on it as dead straight as possible.
Think about it.
Nope, it's leaning.
Boy.
Hallelujah! I just turned the camera on fast enough. Finally got the last one off.
Thank you to AutoZone for making this great Duralast socket. These ARPs. See, sometimes $6 will save your life. And a headache.
Yeah, we just saved the whole head, the whole motor, really.
And
Well,
an ARP. Something like that.
pull that, see what it looks like.
Yeah, it was true.
Damn it, boy! Use the gun. Where the gun at? Where the gun? Rear. Give me some of that rear, bro.
This poor guy is like 7 years old and she's still kicking.
That's a miracle.
Pull the stud with it.
Oh, really?
Wow.
So that was. Uh-oh.
That's okay.
Oh, maybe. Damn, boy. Let this be a lesson to you, kids.
Yeah, don't over torque your head studs.
80 foot-pounds, not 88. Wait, you gonna pull that thing out? Can. Pair of needle nose. Anybody ever seen that? Damn it, bull.
Damn.
Damn it, bull.
We got real lucky.
Real fucking lucky.
Wow. Wowzers. Well, I think I'll just order a new ARP.
At least the head never lifted.
Yeah, for real.
There we go. Woo, booby. All right, kids.
Gucci.
Yeah, she looked good. That's what I'm saying. The head probably fine.
Yeah, head looks okay. Yeah, all y'all boys can see the oversized valves.
Oh, she's gonna be early.
That's okay.
Oh yeah, she Gucci. Look at that thing.
Yeah.
Nice.
It was cylinder 1 that had low compression. So,
Oh, I thought it was cylinder 4.
no.
Oh. Maybe some of the oil did drain. I mean, that was a lot on the plug. It might have been leaking through the valve cover.
Could have been, yeah.
I don't know. Well, there is a lot of oil right here. So that's what it would have came off of.
It's funny because whoever did my head originally, they didn't buy the B20VTEC dowel pins. They just drilled them out.
Yeah, that's usually what they do on the head. But you notice, okay, so see that there's no cooling right here?
Yeah, drill it out.
That's why. Yeah, well, that's why I always use the Zerg Industries one. Or I think Cometic actually does it too.
Yeah, so pretty much we're going to swap over the sandwich plate, oil pump, water pump, and the water pipe, the thermostat housing.
The motor works. Now, wait, go back? Okay. So, like just go back in the opposite direction, see if one move, it doesn't move or anything. Yeah, that looks good. Now go forward. Yeah, there's nothing knocking here. Pretty sure you just broke a ring land on this number one.
Put a little light to it.
All right, where we're at is we have the head obviously pulled off. We've got the axles pulled out, everything disconnected. The rear mount bracket disconnected because we're gonna drop this thing from the bottom once we get everything kind of cleaned up. We're about to pull this bad bitch out from the bottom. Sorry. Zip that bad bitch up. Okay. Oh, she's gonna drop now. Okay, we got it out. And normally, Tony's actually supposed to have a lift installed here, but you know, COVID is delaying it. There's our block and trans. We separate that bad boy. But she's out. I had to turn the camera off so I could help. Got some guts, but we're good. Now it's time to clean up. Does.
She's gonna get divorced today. Yeah. Whether she likes it or not.
It's just the weight is holding it. There you go. There you go.
Look at that trans.
Four puck, son.
Yes, sir.
Is that a competition?
It is, yeah. Stage 5.
Stage 5. That boy's serious.
Unsprung. You know what's funny though about this clutch?
Tell me.
It's really not that hard to drive on. Like my 6-puck sprung clutch in the S2000 is harder to drive than this.
Yeah, just on off.
Yeah.
Bearing looks great.
Yep. Push that sucker up. Fucking beauty came out great.
Oh, thank you. Go any more? Almost.
All I want now is the magazine out. That would be amazing.
why though. Like, it was so much oil that was coming out of the catch can, like white.
Maybe the rings are done. I don't know.
The rings are
Doesn't
shot.
look that bad, but they got to be shot. It's really not that bad. Can't remember if it was 1 or 4, so 1 looked pretty good. Now we're gonna check 4.
I want to say it was
Today I want to grind it.
Okay, she go. I don't know.
strange. I'm trying to figure out.
Oh, wait a second. I think that might be the problem. Is that a problem right there? It looks cracked.
Huh? Oh yeah, crack ring land.
Yeah, there it is.
Hey,
We found it.
2 ring lands. Holy smokes, Batman. So slap a piston in it, call it a day.
Probably. Rebuildable. Well, this is where we're going to wrap the video up. Yeah, we're going to continue to put this thing back together, and hopefully there should be more videos soon. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Click like, subscribe, all the good stuff. You know what it is. And see you in the next one. Peace out.